Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple AI chatbot, even if you have zero experience. No need to be a programmer or a tech expert. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how a chatbot works and how to set one up for yourself. So grab a cup of coffee and let's jump in. What is a chatbot? At its core, a chatbot is just an assistant that can understand questions and respond with helpful answers. Think of it like a digital conversation partner. You type something in, and the chatbot gives you a reply. The amazing part is that with AI, your chatbot doesn't just spit out pre-written responses. It can actually understand context, generate natural answers, and even get creative. So how does it work? The secret sauce to making a chatbot is connecting it to an AI service. This is where the magic happens. With this connection, your chatbot can actually understand what people are asking and find the best answers. But you might be wondering, how do I give my chatbot this special ability? Well, it's easier than you think. So how does your chatbot think? It all comes down to connecting it to an AI service. You'll get a special key, almost like a personal password, that lets your chatbot talk to the AI securely. When a user types in a question, the chatbot sends that text to the AI. The AI processes it and sends back a response. This back and forth is what makes the chatbot feel alive and responsive. Also, you need to design how the conversation feels. Do you want your chatbot to be friendly and casual, like a buddy? Or more professional and focused, like a support agent? Maybe somewhere in between? This step is about setting the tone of voice for your chatbot and guiding how it replies. For example, you could make it summarize information, answer frequently asked questions, or even help brainstorm ideas. The clearer you define its role, the better the experience will be for your users. Now comes the part your users will actually see, the chat window. This can be as simple as a box where they type their question, or a chat-style interface that looks like messaging with a friend. Some chatbots even have fancier designs based on where they'll be used. When they hit send, the message travels through to the AI, and almost instantly, the reply appears in the chat. This is where the magic happens. Users get to feel like they're talking to a real assistant, putting it all together. So here's the full picture. A user types in a question. The chatbot sends it to the AI. The AI responds. The chatbot delivers the answer back instantly, and that's it. You've just created a simple AI chatbot workflow that anyone can use. And there you have it, a chatbot powered by AI, built without needing any technical experience. You can customize it however you like, from customer support to brainstorming buddy or anything in between. It's all about asking the right questions and guiding the conversation to help your users get the answers they need quickly and easily. Chatbots are becoming more and more popular because they can help businesses save time and money while providing quick and easy support to customers. They can also be used for things like marketing and sales, making them a versatile tool for any business. So if you're thinking about creating a chatbot, now is the time to start exploring the possibilities. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI guides, and let me know in the comments what kind of chatbot you'd love to build. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.